Dear nurses, welcome to Nurses Today YouTube channel. Today we are posting another important new recruitment video that is from Midani Primary Healthcare Center Trust, Hyderabad, Telangana. Midani Primary Healthcare Center Trust recruiting various posts such as Senior Medical Officer, Specialist, Medical Officer, Senior Nurse, Nurse, Lab Technician, Pharmacist and Receptionist cum Data Entry Operator male. In that we are going to see Senior Nurse. The total number of posts is 1 and the remuneration pay is rupees 35,000 per month and the maximum age limit is 35 years and the date of walk-in interview is 11 October 2021. And nurse, for nurse they are recruiting 2 posts and the remuneration pay is rupees 30,000 per month and the maximum age limit is 30 years and the date of walk-in interview is 11/10/2021. For the post of senior nurse and nurse, the venue is BPDAV School, Midani Township, Post Office Kanjibagh, Hyderabad. And then the contract duration is initially for 2 years. Further it can be extendable up to period of 1 year based on the candidate performance and the trust requirements. Annual increase will be 8% of the above mentioned monthly remuneration. For the post of senior nurse, the total is 1 post. The essential educational qualification and experience is BSc Nursing with registration in any state or Indian Nursing Council registration with minimum 2 years of experience in ambulance, medical ICU, cardiac ICU or surgical ICU or casualty or in emergency and trauma care center or industrial hospitals or PSU hospitals or government PHCs or CHCs or area hospital. The candidate should have the computer literacy skills. For the post of nurse, total 2 posts they are recruiting. The essential qualification and experience for the post of nurses are intermediate plus GNM with registration in any state or Indian Nursing Council or paramedical board with minimum 2 years of post qualification experience in ambulance, medical ICU, cardiac ICU, surgical ICUs, casualty, emergency and trauma care center, industrial and hospitals and PSU hospital and government PHCs or CHCs or area hospital. Candidates should have the computer literacy skills. The method of selection for the post of senior nurse and nurse who fulfill the required parameter shall only allowed to appear for the written test and proficiency test. For the post of serial number 327, that is from senior nurse to receptionist. Subsequently to the written test, based on the merit, candidate will be further shortlisted for proficiency test and it will be conducted at a later date. If the written test or proficiency test cannot be conducted on the same day, it will be conducted on the next day or the later date. Appearance of the candidate for written test or proficiency test or interview will not entitle them to claim for a contract engagement for the Alfred post. The candidate will be debarred or ab initio at any stage at any recruitment process in case of they do not fulfill the essential eligibility criteria. And the medium of selection test is written proficiency test and will be in English only. Midani Primary Healthcare Center Trust reserves the right to cancel the advertisement or the selection process or the restrict or increase the number of posts, alter the eligibility criteria, etc. The cutoff date for all the request parameters in 22nd October 2021. The posts are on contract basis only, do not provide any claim for permanent absorption. Decisions of Midani Primary Healthcare Center Trust regarding the selection will be the final decision. If any related to this advertisement shall be given only on our website. And the TADA will not be paid for attending the selection process. Candidates are requested to possess a valid email ID and contact mobile number for communication. And Midani Primary Healthcare Center Trust will not be responsible for bouncing of email sending to the candidate. And finally, the candidate should strictly follow all the COVID-19 safety precautions during the selection process by the chairman of the trust. So dear nurses, once again I will concluding the recruitment of the Mithani Primary Health Care Center. It is totally 3 posts, that is 1 post for senior nurse and 2 posts for nurse. The salary for senior nurse is rupees 35,000 per month, and the salary for the nurse is rupees 30,000 per month. And the age relaxation for senior nurse is up to maximum 35 years of age, and the nurse is maximum 30 years of age. And the date of interview is 11/10/2021, and the venue is BPDAV School, Mithani Township, post of Kanjanbarg, Hyderabad. So dear nurses, from the team of Nurses Today, wish you all the very best and thank you. Have a nice day.